Hi, this is Jim Holmes. I'm the Test Studio Evangelist for Telerik, and today I want to show you how to install and activate your version of Test Studio. So first off, I have a virtual machine here, which is Server 2008 R2, and this is just my clean test bed system, and I'm going to show you how to install Test Studio. So I'd have Test Studio, say, located on a network share somewhere. I could install it from the network share, or I could drag it locally and install it from here. I'll do that. So it's an MSI. We're going to install it. There's a license agreement here which you can read. Agree to that. And I'm able to customize all of the pieces that I want installed. If I had Visual Studio 2008, that would be detected and reflect here. And I can change my install path if I so desire. I'm going to leave everything as default and click OK and click Install to proceed. Test Studio will work through the install and get all of the components where they need to be. And I'm actually going to skip past this so that you don't have to sit here and watch the status bar go across the screen for some time. So at this point, Test Studio is installed and we're ready to start it. We've launched the Test Studio homepage in the background, so you have quick access to documentation and videos. And at this point, we're ready to launch Test Studio. So the first screen that will pop open when you start Test Studio is the activation screen. We offer two different modes for activating Test Studio. If this is your first time with Test Studio and you're just looking to try it out, we have a 30-day trial evaluation. You can use Test Studio without any restrictions whatsoever for 30 days. You even have access to our full support group through Test Studio. Or if you have a license purchased, you can walk through these steps. If you choose the automatic path here, then you'd put in your credentials for your Telerik.com account, enter that, and then activate it. You can also use manual activation, which requires that you log on to your Telerik.com account and go to your activation keys and fill out some information there. You might do this if you didn't have an internet link, in which case you would need to somehow get this information from your Test Studio installation over to some spot where you could put that into your Telerik.com account. When I need to manually register a install of Test Studio, I need to come to my account at Telerik.com, your products, and then manage license keys for testing tools. And from this manual activation, I need this key here, so I can copy that. And I'm going to add a trial license. So if I add this, it asks me for the machine key, and I paste that in, and the machine name, and then generate a registration key. We see that the key was successfully created, and I need to copy the registration key. So if I select the whole thing, by the way, if you didn't know that's clicking 3 times on a block of text and it selects the entire paragraph. I switch back to Test Studio and paste in the key and then activate. Now, I'm not actually going to activate because I want to walk back through and show you the other routes of registering as well. But what I've done is I've gone to my license management page under my Telerik.com account, and I've created a new key here, and I've pasted that key in. And then if I clicked activate, that would take care of that. But let's walk back and take a look at some of the other options. With the trial evaluation, I could log on automatically here with my Telerik account. Or if I had an existing license key that was valid, then I could do the same thing, and I could log on as well with my Telerik.com account credentials. But I'm going to go back and do the trial evaluation, automatic, and put in my credentials here. And now I'm going to activate. Authentication is successful, and the activation is successful. So, in this video, I've walked through installing Test Studio. I've shown you how you can activate your license manually, and I've also shown how you can activate your trial via the automatic route using your Telerik.com account credentials. I'm Jim Holmes, the evangelist for Test Studio. Happy testing!